Hi dear Form 4 and Form 5. Okay, kita tengok soalan percubaan negeri Sabah and this is paper 2. So as you can see, paper 2 dah ada berapa markah? 7 marks here. Okay, given the function f, fx is given already dekat situ, k plus x over 2 plus 3x. Okay, x tak sama dengan p. K and p is per malar. What's the meaning of per malar? I think some of you still macam you all are thinking, teacher, what is per malar? What is the constant? Okay, see constant dekat dalam maths, in add maths, constant means numbers. Okay, numbers. Per malar maksudnya number. Ini dalam matematik. Most of you sometimes bila teacher tanya what's per malar, you all give me the answer, oh, it doesn't change. You giving me the signs answer, which is totally wrong. These are all numbers. Okay. Sekarang kita nak cari nilai P. Okay, for question A, we want to cari the nilai P. Take the bottom one sahaja, 2 tambah 3x. Jadikan dia tak sama dengan kosong. Like that. Make it not equal to 0. Okay, so kita cari the x from here. Because kan anything at the bottom, denominator cannot be 0. Okay? Alright, so you pindah. Negative 2. Pindah the 3. So x is cannot be equal to negative 2 over 3, right? So what they write there? This is P. So you know your P already? So you can write the answer for P. P is negative 2 per 3. That's all. 1 mark here. Okay. B. Find the nilai K apabila F1 maps onto itself. This one very important. Memetakan kepada diri sendiri. What does it mean? It means that object dengan image, English and bahasa. Okay, object dengan image adalah sama. They are the same. So what's the object here? 1 kan? So the image also 1 lah. F1 sama dengan 1 like that. So you have to solve this. Okay, so K plus 1. So all the X tukar jadi 1 lah. 2 tambah 3 times 1 equals to 1. So we cross multiply here. K plus 1. 2 tambah 3, 5, right? 5 darab with 1. Still 5. Okay, bring the 1 go behind. So it's minus. 5 minus 1. 4. So dapatlah K sama dengan 4. Okay, C. Find the songsang. Okay, lepas cari songsang, kena cari the julat. Okay, let me cari the songsang first. Let me write down Fx. Since now we dah dapat the K, 4 plus X over 2 plus 3X. 2 tambah 3X. Okay, let's cari the inverse. Okay, let Y. Biar Y. Salin your equation. Okay, sekarang kita kena ungkapkan the X. Okay, this one pay attention. Some of you sometimes soalan macam ni, you all get stuck. You feel like, teacher, what to do from here? Okay. Very easy. First step. Kita, we cross multiply first. Okay, darab silang first. So, Y darab with the 2 plus 3X. Okay. Okay, so here we just kembang lah. Kembang. So, you get 2Y tambah 3xy. Okay, now you are supposed to express the x, betul tak? Okay, how many x we have here? If you realize, sini pun ada x, sini pun ada x. So, all the x you bawa ke depan. Yang tak berkaitan all bawa ke belakang. Faham tak? So, that means now 3xy minus x. And then 4 will minus. So, nampak tak? All the x you bawa ke depan already. Okay, so now, since here got x, here got x, isn't it? You are going to factorize the x. Ini yang paling penting. This is what most of the students forget. So, I don't want you all to forget. Please write down if you're doing this as your revision notes. Tulis kat situ, factorize the x. Faktorkan. Kenapa boleh faktorkan? Because those are like terms. Okay, like terms. So, X kita take out. So, tinggal 3Y. Apa yang tinggal? 3Y minus 1. Okay, now I can bring this kurungan go behind. So, it will become bahagi ya. Divide 3y minus 1. So, you see, you get your x ready. So, the moment dah dapat x, automatically, that is your inverse. Tapi you must change back all to x lah. 3x minus 1. Okay, since this is in pecahan, kena tulis x tak sama dengan what? Take the bottom one here. Make it tak sama dengan 0. Then you pindah. You get 1. Pindah the 3. So, x is not equal to 1/3. Okay, we settle the first part already. Kita dah dapat the songsang. However, we are supposed to give them the julat. Cari the julat untuk domain 1/3. Okay. See ya. They gave us the domain already, no? Okay, let me use this one. Domain. They gave us already from. Did they give sama dengan here? Okay, 1 to 3. 1 sampai 3. So, if you want to find the julat, very easy. First, you do what? You ganti the 1 first inside. Okay? Okay, ganti the x 1 inside the fx, the inverse into the inverse. Okay, so okay, ganti terus lah. 4 minus 2 times 1 over 3 1 minus 1. So dapat 2 over 2. 2 over 2, right? 2 over 2. Okay, so dapat 1. Okay, the other one, okay, teacher do this side. Ganti x sama dengan 3. Okay, x sama dengan 3 ke dalam, same also, into the inverse. So, I will get 4 minus 2 times 3 over 3 minus 1. 4 tolak 6. Negative 2. 9 tolak 1, 8. So, I'll get negative 1 over 4. Okay. Sekarang, you can write down already your julat. Okay, I write here the final answer. So, the julat means you must put for fx. Okay, fx, the inverse. Wait, let me erase. This is inverse of. Okay. Julat adalah di antara, write the negative. The smaller number tulis dekat sebelah kiri. The bigger number tulis dekat sebelah kanan. Okay, so this is our final answer julat. Boleh? Okay, settle question 5. This is very important. You see, like it might first look macam susah, tapi bila buat sebenarnya boleh buat, senang kan? So keep practicing macam ni. Setiap hari keep practicing dalam 20 minit, okay, 30 minit. You see, like if you follow teacher punya series, I think you can do like 2 questions 8 minit, it's already 16 minutes, which you are getting better every day. Okay, okay, see you all in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a like. Alright, bye bye.